ba?
Wow! Ate Rain! Wow, they're all here! Thank you so much, guys! Wow!
Feel ko magpa-volleyball na kayo.
Cheers!
Okay, go ahead. Okay, so we'll ask if may mga special, sweet, short messages kayo for our very own Rain. So we'll start with, Rain, Shang, or Emilio?
Well, Rain, Bunso, I'm so proud of you. Grabe. Ang dami-dami nagmamahal sa'yo. Ang galing mo kumanta, and you deserve all of the success that you have right now. I'm sure mas madami pa to, and this is just the start. So congratulations.
What's up, congrats! I just want to say I'm really proud of her kasi we had a talk before na she was asking us like, do I pursue acting or performing? Tapos sabi ko talaga, ikaw mo lahat yan. So I'm pretty sure that this is the start of so many things. So we're so proud of you, Bunso, and enjoy mo lang. Love you!
Okay, so may little sister na nagbubulong sa akin dito sa may gilid. Hindi ko na alam.
Ano naman yan, Ate Abaya?
Okay, so syempre, guys, Andy!
Hello pa!
Well, first of all, congratulations. As you can see, ang daming nagmamahal sa'yo and kami mahal na mahal ka namin. And I'm so proud of you! Okay, you definitely belong to the stage and I'm so excited for what the world has in store. Yes! Alright!
Yung OA line natin. Okay, ikaw naman, go! I'm sure may mensahe ka para kay Rain.
So, congratulations, Reina. Alam naman natin na simula pa lang nasa loob na ng bahay ni Kuya is matagal naman talagang pinapangarap to. And here we go!
Aside from Binsoy, may isa ka din kuya na gustong mag-message. Itago na lang natin sa pangalang Dylan. Justin! Ito ang yung part na.
Concert po to ni Rain, hindi po...
Concert ni Rain.
Pwede naman eh. Ay, sige.
Ayan. Hi, Reyna. Lagi tayo nag-uusap na about sa pangarap, and sabi ko naman sa'yo, abot kami ang pangarap, and dreams always do come true, and I'm so proud of you. Lagi ako nasa likuran.
Thank you, really. I love you.
Congrats.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, I think we are all good. Yes, baka may Sky, Dre, Bong,
Si Sean. Sean, dito ka, Sean. Dito ka, Sean.
Si Jared pala to.
Makapok naman. Teka. Okay, Olivia. Okay. Okay, Reina, I just want to say I'm so proud of you.
You are.
I'm so proud of you. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Tingnan mo, sobrang daming tao nagmamahal sa'yo. You really deserve it kasi you are so soft, lalo na sa heart, and you deserve all of this. Congrats, Reina!
Maybe she understands.
Hindi ako si Jared ngayon.
Yes, once again, our cast of Love at First Spike. But before we let you guys go, okay, Rain and Emilio, please invite everyone to catch Love at First Spike.
Mga reindeers, please watch Love at First Spike. Binigyan po namin si Rain nandyan, sobrang galing ni Rain umarte. Abangan niyo yun. June 20, only on I Want TFC.
Yes, we invite you to support our series. Reina's here, and everybody up here as well, our team Bricks and Hawks. Maraming salamat po. We hope that you could support this. This is not only about volleyball, but of course, supporting the causes of LGBTQIA+ community. And of course, happy Pride Month and congratulations, Reina. It's a kiss, John! Sorry,
What's up, babe? Babe, what's up?
Thank you, Love at First Spike cast. Grabe, you guys went all the way here. Wow. Alright, so, wait lang, Love at First Spike, meron tayong request kay Kuya Renz. 0.5 photo daw ng cast
Okay, go Emilio, ikaw na yung magano. Take ng point 5. Once again, the cast of Love at First Spike right here. Let's give it all up for them. Guys, manood kayo June 20. And background audience, Emilio. Hey! Sama kayo guys! Yan, okay. Kasama naman yung mga reindeers. Congrats! Okay, so tingin also mga lappers. Yes, lappers. Guys, picture muna for the camera. Okay, harap. Smile. Okay, one last photo with our professional photographer. Ayan. Again, Love at First Spike out very, very soon. Yan. Guys for dropping by.
Yes! I want to say, I'm sorry, I said it without the microphone.
Good luck, Bunso.
No, teka lang! I want to say thank you guys. Wait lang di ba magme-message pa nga ako, di ba? Thank you guys for coming. You guys went all the way here and wow, ang dami yung schedule but you guys went here and I'm so thoughtful of you guys. I love you all. Sana bumait pa kayo sa set. Thank you po.
Wait, hindi kayo bababa ng stage. Walang bababa daw ng stage. Bakit? Hindi kasi, Rain.
Oh my gosh, Rain.
May gusto ipanood si Rain sa inyong lahat.
Oh my gosh,
May
may
surprise. It's a little story kung paano niya nabuo ang album ng music niya. Sorry na, na-excite kasi si Rain. Intindihan naman, Rain. Picture pa. Okay. So may gusto ipanood si Rain sa inyo. It's a story kung paano nila na come up yung album.
Made this album.
Yes. And Laps will be there to watch it with everyone.
Alright.
On stage.
Okay. Alright. Where is it? Okay, kaya naman. Ang galing! Oh my God! Okay, kaya naman let's all watch this. Ayun.